You can open your present, little one. Isabella, look.
It's Christmas Eve 2011, and Isabella's 9 months. And we have Grandma giving her her first present. And we have Mommy and Grandpa.
You want to open it up there?
And Daddy.
Okay. There you go.
What's that?
Wow.
Are you gonna open it?
Here, Isabella.
Are you gonna open it?
Whoa. What is that? Ooh, you can open that. See?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. What is it?
Wow. What's that?
Your first Christmas gift.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You like
You
it?
get all the paper off. There. Here. Maybe throw it away. Shall we see what it is?
Wow.
Good.
Oh, that's the book.
Is that a book?
Yeah.
Look, Isabella.
Ooh.
Wow. Yeah. It's your book. That's so cool. Isn't that cool? You can take that off. So, what she? Yeah, here, sit down. You can sit down and look at it. There you go. Oh, so we take this off so you can see. Yeah. Here's your book.
I love your little.
You turn it to the